Alright, so I got my sofa in the truck. I was actually thinking it was going to be a lot more bulkier. I can actually easily fit that through the door, I think. So, here at the Faith Farm, I just picked up the sofa. I'll take it home and assemble it. I'm really surprised that it's not as wide as I thought it would be. I should easily get in the house. 238 pounds, as you can see, 238 pounds. It's pictured by Ashley. So, let me take it home and Faith Farm. Take it home and I gotta assemble it. Okay, the next step is to assemble the recliner. So I got it flipped over right now on the side. So I got to put the arms in, and then from there we're going to get it continued. Go start it. Okay, so I got the arms in. Now I just got to put the back. Of course, Gypsy has to help me, being a pain. I had to put Winnie in the room because he was annoying me, trying to cause trouble. Got the arms in. Now I just got to put the backs on, which are these things here. Plug them in, and we'll get the recliner going. There's power cords, because there's electric power recliner. So let's get to work. Okay, there's the recliner, and you can push the buttons here to recline it. Whoa! You can make almost a bed out of this. Put it back. You see it goes down, and it goes in different directions. And reset back into original position. And you got dual ones on here. There's Fritz sleeping away. And you got, see? Pretty neat. Cool, huh? See the recliner sofa. Hope we can enjoy it. Cost over $1,100. Okay, there's the recliner, and you can push the buttons here to recline it. Whoa! You can make almost a bed out of this. Put it back. You see it goes down, and it goes in different directions. And reset back into original position. And you got dual ones on here. There's Fritz sleeping away. And you got, see? Pretty neat. Cool, huh? See the recliner sofa. Hope we can enjoy it. Cost over $1,100.